Hey guys, what's up? It's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a flip through of this beautiful Minnie Mouse budget journal. Like, how cool is that? Budgeting and Minnie Mouse in the same product. I'm so stoked. So if you want to see that, keep watching. All right, so the Happy Planner sent this to me as part of my Squad Mentor box. If you didn't see that unboxing, I will try to put that in the description box. And it's like, I got some really cool Disney products from this Disney collab with the Happy Planner. How exciting that Disney is having a collaboration with the Happy Planner, because it's like, I don't know, it's just really, really cool to me. And I'm excited for them. This is going to be available. All the Disney products, as far as I'm aware, are going to be available at Joann, online and in stores on October 4th. Now, I think they will also be available on the Happy Planner website, but I don't have that information yet as far as when that's going to launch on their site. But if you stay tuned to Happy Planner on their social, like Instagram and Facebook, you will be able to get more information about that when it comes out. All right, so let's take a look at this. First off, we have black plastic discs. This is a classic size planner and, well, journal, I guess I should say. The front has, the cover has like Minnie Mouse, and it has all of these little gold confetti, and there's like little gold Mickey heads in there too. And like little dollar signs too. It's really, really cute. And then there's some gold foil like in the rest of it. There's magic and saving. So right away, how cute is this? We have, you know I love yellow, and we've got these yellow stripes here. Let me just open this up. And we have Minnie Mouse red bows on the back of the cover. So cute. So this says you can and you will. And this is going to be undated, so you're going to be able to date this yourself, do whatever you want that way. If not now, then when. I love the red. I love red and I love yellow, so this is like really appeals to me. So the first page here, let me just look at this. Okay, so this is going to be like a weekly dashboard page here. Week of blank, things I want, things I actually need. What event or circumstance is coming up this week that I know I will need to spend money on? What can I do to adjust and save? What can I give up, say no to, or let go of this week? And then down here we have a little no spend challenge tracker, so you can check off the days that you don't spend anything. I think that's important. So this is like a guided journal, but it's about your finances, and I think that's super important to, you know, just to be aware. I am guilty of this. I'm not always aware of what I'm spending, when I'm spending it, why I'm spending it. This really could be useful for me. So I don't know if I'm going to use it or if I'm going to do a giveaway, but I think this is just really useful and actually really, really cute. So let's keep going. So then we have daily pages. So this one says, where did I see temptation today? How did I overcome it? Small victories, daily gratitude, and then you can put today's date right there. So this can be a journal that does not have to be just about budgeting. This could be a general journal as well, with just incorporating your budgeting in there. You don't have to do complete finance journal, but I think this is a really cool idea. Somebody who I think would love this is my friend Elise. She is on YouTube and Instagram as Plan with Elise, and she is like the budgeting queen. She loves all things budgeting. She's really good at working it into her planner, so check her out. Okay, so this next page says, what is inspiring and motivating me to save? What are some action steps I can take to keep that motivation? And then lessons learned down here. Again, you have a daily gratitude section and the date up there. I like that this is a graph because you can like do whatever you want. You can even like draw in here or anything, but I kind of like the difference between the graph here, and you've got a dot grid here, and then you've got lines down here. So you have all three, which I think is kind of cool. The next day says, what small change did I make today? How is today different because of that change? And then the same. This one says, in what area do I deserve a gold star? Where could I improve? And then again, the same. Let me see, did we repeat? No. Who do I look to as a good example for budgeting? I look to Elise. What habits can I adopt from them? Where did I see temptation today? Okay, so now we're repeating. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pages, and then we're going to repeat. So we have 2 more, which are repeats. Okay, and then at the end of the week, we have a progress tracker, a weekly spending snapshot, date, item, and description, and amount. What can I do better next week? And then notes. So it's like a weekly overview of how you did budgeting and on your spending. I think it's important to look back, to look forward in the beginning of the week, and then to look back at the end of the week just to see how you did and what you can improve upon. And then we're going to continue this. Here we have a note section. And then same thing again. Wait, did we have a note section on the first one? No, because we had this divider there. So, but you're going to continue. And this is going to be a monthly thing. So there's going to be 4 weeks in each section, I'm assuming. And then you're going to get to the next month. Slow progress is still progress. Look at Minnie in her cute little blue skirt. And you've got the blue stripes over here. Really, really cute. And then we've got her little faces over here. And then we're going to have the same type of layout on this section. Okay. And then the next month says, don't let the things you want make you forget the things you have. The designs are just so cute, aren't they? I think they're adorable. And then there's Minnie. So this looks like a 4-month journal. You certainly don't have to use it like that either. You can even do it, you know, a weekly page. You can like switch it up to however you want. But they give you enough so that you can do 4 months of daily pages. I'm assuming, I could count, but let me just look. So week 1, I mean, let's see, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Yeah, so 4 weeks. A note page in the back, and then again, her cute little bows. And then the back of the planner is these cute stripes. So I think, again, I think this is really, really useful. It says 80 pages of note paper, 4 dividers. I think it's really useful and really cute and something that I think a lot of people will be interested in. So let me know in the comments below what you think and if this was helpful for you. And if you are going to make any purchases on the Happy Planner website or on Joann for the Disney products, I'm going to put both of my affiliate links in the description below. And if you wouldn't mind using them, I would really appreciate it. It's of no cost to you and it helps me out a little bit. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next flip through. Bye.